Hi, this is Mrs. Murray, and this is a video just to go over what you need to do this week and a little tour of the Hyperdoc. We're going to be learning two concepts. We're going to be learning empirical formula and percent composition. An empirical formula is how you find out the formula of a chemical, like H2O, that's water's formula, from the percentages of elements in it. And then percent composition is when you have the empirical formula, how you find the percent of elements in it. So these are kind of the reverse of each other. Gave you the calendar. Monday, review the Hyperdoc, watch the first video, and take the notes in your notebook. Tuesday, do the empirical formula calculations. Wednesday, you're going to watch the Explore videos and put the notes in your notebook. Thursday, do the percent composition problems, the Padlet. Friday, review the video, do the quizzes and the reflection. Remember, do those reflections seriously if you want to get all the points, okay? And also make sure you do the Padlets, guys. They're worth points. A lot of you aren't doing them. Okay, fun meme that'll come back to haunt you in the Padlet. Great video. Take notes in your notebook while you watch it. Okay, another video that I made for you, recipe to put in your notebook, and some notes. And then your first problem where you're finding empirical formula. Okay, I gave you 27.29% carbon, 72.71% oxygen. That's what you get when you ferment grain. Oh, you're making alcohol. But there's a gas that comes out of the way, and this is what the gas is made of. First step's easy. You just trash the percentage sign and put in the gram sign. Okay. Second sign is grams to mole, or the second step is grams to moles conversion. So carbon, you have 27.29 grams of it. Molecular weight's 12.011. I know that because I got it off the periodic table. You divide 2.27 moles. Okay. Oxygen, 72.71 grams. Look on the periodic table. Divide 4.54 moles. Okay. Step 3, you decide which of those two numbers is smaller. Clearly 2.27. You divide both by it. You always get 1 for one of them because you're dividing it by itself. Okay, this one you get 2. You will get close to whole numbers. If you don't, see my video to find out what to do. But usually you get close to whole numbers. So that means there's 1 carbon, 2 oxygens. We don't write the 1, so the product's CO2. That's the formula. Okay, then I gave you 3 problems to do. I am going to end this video here because I have a 5-minute limit, and you can watch the second video for what to do in the rest of the Hyperdoc. Oh, and there's a link here that you can practice a lot more problems, and if you want to do well on the quiz and do well fourth quarter, you really need to do these problems. By the time you're done with them, you'll be a pro.